In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix you not being able to activate your hotspot on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're trying to activate your hotspot. It can be really annoying if it's not working. So we're going to go to settings, go down to personal hotspot. Then if it's on and it's not working, what you can do is turn it off and then turn it on again. Give it a quick reset. If that's still not working, go ahead and try and change your Wi-Fi password. Even if you just change it by one letter or something, just give it a quick refresh by going ahead and changing it. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're not on airplane mode and make sure you have mobile data turned on. So when you go over here, make sure mobile data is in the green and it says on. And then again, make sure airplane mode is not on at the very top, because if it is, your personal hotspot is just not going to work. So you want to make sure that is turned off. And after that, you should be good to go. If that still doesn't work, what you could do is restart your phone completely by pressing the volume up and your power button together, and then just sliding to power off and then opening up your phone again. And then you should be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.